Hello students, welcome to my channel. This session will be taking up some special multiplication cases. Like what? For example, if I have to multiply a number with say 5. How do we multiply a number with 5? So let us say 86496 into 5. Students, you can, instead of multiplying with 5 into 6, 30, 5 nines 45 and so on. What I can do is, students, 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. I divide by 2 and then multiply with 10. Is it not easy? Let's see. Can you divide by 2? 4, 3, 2, 4, 8, 0. 2 4s 8, 2 3s 6, 2 2s 2 4s 8, 1 carried 16, 2 8 16, 0. Why 0? Because into 10 means 0, right? So let me ask one more small digit. 6958 into 5. If I ask you, what I am saying? 10 by 2 I said. Let's not write every time 10 by 2. I'm just writing to explain to you. Divide by 2 please. 2 3s, 2 4s 8, 7, 2 7s 14, 2 9s. Done. So this is by 2. Into 10 means it will be last digit is 0. Is it not easy? Tell me. 8 5 4 9 7 8 into 5. Come on, non-stop you should say. 4 2 7 4 8 9 0. That's how you should say, students. 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 7s, 2 4s, 2 8 16, 2 9s 0. Right? Let's do one more. 7 9 6 9 8 4 into 5. Come on. 3 9 8 4 9 2 0. Done. See, 9 8 7 9 into 5 means, students, if I have to do 10 by 2, see 4 9 3 9.5 into 10. It is nothing but 49395. Students, what happens is this 9 is not divisible by 2. What happens? 2 9s 18, remainder was 1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 into 10 will become 5. So what you can say, students, is if it is exactly divisible, you are putting, suppose if it is 9878 into 5, what would have said, students? 4939 gone exactly into 10 means 0. If it is divisible exactly, our last digit is 0. If it is not divisible exactly, the last digit will become 5. Is it okay? So because when you divide a number by 2, either it is divisible or it will give you remainder 1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 into 10 will become 5. That is the reason, right? So one more example, students. 6849 into 5. Come on. 3 4 2 4 8 5. 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 4s 8, 17, 2 8 16. Remainder is 1. 1 by 2 0.5. 0.5 into 10 will become 5. That's why 5. It is not divisible exactly. That's why I'm putting 5. Right? So divide a number by, what is the type? We can conclude divide a number by 2. If it is divisible exactly by 2, then last digit will be 0. If it is not divisible by 2 exactly, the last digit will be 5. Done. This is for 5 students. Similar thing we can do for 25 also. Suppose if I ask you, students, say 3676 into 25. Again 5 is 10 by 2, so 25 is 100 by 4. Instead of multiplying with 2-digit number 25, let's divide with 4 and then say into 100. Students, 4 9s 36. 4 1s 4, 36 means 4 9s, into 100 means 2 zeros. Then somebody may have a doubt, what if it is not divisible by 4 exactly? Let me take 3677 into 25. Students, this is 100 by 4. What happens? Tell me. 4 9s, 4 1s, 4 9s. Remainder is how much, please? 76 means remainder is 1. 1 by 4 is how much? 0.25. 0.25 into 100 will become 25. You will get 1 by 4, 0.25 into 100 means it will be 25. Like I said in 5, what you said, if it is divisible 0, it is not divisible 5, you said. Here, if it is exactly divisible 2 zeros, because you are multiplying with 100, if it is remainder is 1 here, 1 by 4 is 0.25 into 100, it will become 25. But what if remainder is 2? 3678 if I take, students, into 25, it is 100 by 4 if I take, 4 9s 36, 4 1s 4 9s, remainder is 2. What is 2 by 4? 0.5. 0.5 into 100 will become 50. In other words, students, if remainder is 0, so what I am saying for 25, because 25 is 100 by 4, divide the number by 4. In case if remainder is 0, that means it is exactly divisible like this. Let your last two digits be 0, 0. If remainder is 1, let your last two digits be 2, 5. If remainder is 2 like this, let your last two digits be 2, 25 is 50. If remainder is 3, let your last digits be 25, 3, 75. 3 by 4 is 0.75 into 100 will become 75 students. If remainder is 4, remainder cannot be 4. If you divide a number by 4, maximum remainder you will get is 3 only. Yes, remainder should always be less than the divisor. If you are dividing by 4, the remainder can be maximum 3 only. So hence these are the possible cases, right? Now let us try few examples, students. 8979 into 25. Let's see. 4 2s 8. 4 2s 8, remainder 117. 4 4 16. 19. 19 means 4 4 16. What is the remainder? 3. 3 means I should write 75. I'm dividing by 4 students instead of multiplying with 25, right? Let's take one more. 96975 into 25. Come on, please. Or 974 into 25. We'll see. Right. 4 4 2 8. 4 4 16. 4 2 8. 4 4 16. 14. 4 3 is 12. Remainder is 2. 2 means I will write 50. Right. One more example. 7997 into 25. Let's see, students. 4 1976, 39, 4 9 36, 37, 4 9 36. Remainder is 1 means 25. Like that you can do, students. Right? So this is for 25. What we do for 125? Similar case. If I take 896 into 125, if I have students, instead of multiplying with 125, you know 125 is 1000 by 8. You remember 1 by 8 is 0.125 or 12.5% you discussed. So students, what we do is divide by 8, then multiply with 1000. So 8 ones, 2 into 1000 means 3 zeros. Then again you may have a doubt, what if it is 897? Very simple, students. This is 1000 by 8. So you will say 8 ones, 8 ones, 8 twos. So what is the remainder? 1. What is 1 by 8? 1 by 8 is 0.125. 12.5% means 0.125. So 0.125 into 1000 will become 125. So hence, suppose if remainder is 2. So what happens, students? 1, 1, 2. Remainder is 2 means here 8 ones, 8 ones, 8 twos are 16. Remainder is 2 means 2 by 8. Because you are dividing by 8. What is 2 by 8? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25. 0.25 into 100 is 1000 is 250. In other words, students, if remainder is 0, the last 3 digits will become 0, 0, 0. If remainder is 1, instead of 0, 0, you get 125. Remainder is 2, 250. Remainder is 3, 125. 3 is 375. Students, you are not learning them new. You already learned fraction values 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 in the intro session I gave you. So there I am giving in percentage 37.5%. Now I am saying 375, right? Maximum remainder will be 7. 7 into 125 will be 875. Because 7 by 8 is 87.5% or 0.875. 0.875 into 1000 will become 875, right? So let me ask you more examples, students. Say 4975 into 125. So let's divide. So you have to divide by 8. 8 5s, 8 6 are 48. 17, 8 2s are 16. 15, 8 1s are 8. Remainder is 7. Remainder is 7 means 8 7. 7 means what should I write? Last 3 digits as 875. Let me write one more. 75496 49 say 4. Students, if I take 8 9s are 72, 34. 8 4s are 32, 29. 29 means 8 3s are 24, 54, 8 6 are 48, remainder is 6, 6 means 6, 125, 750. 8 9 72, 34, 8 4 is 32, 29, 8 3 is 24, 54, 8 6 48, remainder is 6, 6 means 750. Done. This is how we should do for 525, 120. These are a few special cases. One more special case I would like to talk about, students, is how do we multiply number with 11? Suppose if I ask you 3 4 6 5 7 8 into 11. One, you can use multiplication table of 11 and do it. There's nothing like that. You can always say 11 8 88, 11 7 77 plus 8 85 kind of stuff you can always do. Some people are not comfortable doing this. So normally what you do like this. Students, into 11 means what you do is first you write 3 4 6 5 7 8. Next you write again below this 3 4 6 5 7 8. Then you start adding. You multiply with 1 and write down. You multiply with 1 and write down. Like this you add, right? So I am also going to do the same thing, please. But only thing, students, see, if you want, I'll complete this. Say 8 plus 5, 13, 12, 11, 8, 3. This is how you do it, right? But I will do the similar fashion, students. I said for any multiplication, I'll use only 9 tables. I said I will stick to that. I'll not use 11th table. But then, students, without writing these 2 lines, how I can do it? Let me show you, students. 3 4 6 5 7 8, right? Yeah, 3 4 6 5 7 8. Now let me put a 0 here, students, and let me tell myself, if I touch 0, I finish my calculation. Then where I start here. 8 and its immediate right digit, nothing to multiply with, to 8 and its immediate right digit, there's nothing to write of 8. So 8 only my answer, nothing to add to 8. Are you adding anything to 8? You can compare them? No. Students, then 7 plus 8. Take every, starting from unit digit, add its immediate right digit to that. 8 plus nothing, so 8. 7 plus 8, 15. 5 here, 1 carried. Are you not doing the same, please? 1 carried. So 5 plus 7, 12. 12 and 1 carried. So 13, again 1 carried. You see here? Don't keep writing the carried number, please. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus already 1 carried. So 12 here, 2 here, 1 more, 1 carried to the next place. Yes or no? Compare this. Next 4 plus 6, 10. 10 and 1 carried. 11. Are you not doing the same here? Next 3 plus 4, 7 and 1 carried before 8. Have you not done the same here, please? And next 0 plus 3, no carried number from previous place, so 3. Is it not the same? So this is how you can do it, students. Come on. 4984 into 11 means what you should do. If you put 0 here, you should say non-stop 4, 12, 8, 4, 5. Done. This fast you can do. 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carried. 17 plus 1, 18, 1 carried. 13 plus 1, 14, 1 carried. 0 plus 4 plus 1, 5. Right? Come on. 8, 9, 6, 5, 7, 4 into 11. Come on, tell me. 4, 1, 3, 2, come on, 6, 8, 9. See here, 4, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 carried. 12 plus 7, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carried. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 carried. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 1, 16, 1 carried. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 1, 18, 1 carried. 0 plus 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Is that okay, students? Like that you can do for 11. So once you know 11, you can extend the rule for 12, 13 and all that. I said up to 19 tables you don't, you can use this, please. Suppose if I ask you, students, 4, 3, 2, 6 into 12, if I ask you, students. See, when I say 4, 3, 2, 6 into 11, what we are doing, students? I'm just putting a 0 here and saying 6, 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 0 plus 4, 4 you are doing. So 6 and its immediate right digit, 2 and immediate right digit, like that we are doing. Why we are doing is because both the digits are 1, 1. But students, here, since unit place is 2, first double every digit, then add immediate right digit. So let me double this 12. 12 plus anything, right? No. So 2 here, 1 carried. Double this, please. Yeah, please. First you have to double every digit, then add the right digit because unit place is 2. 4 plus 6, 10. 1 carried before 11. 1 here, 1 carried. Next, double this, please. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 carried before 9. No carried number now. Double this, please. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 here, 1 carried. Double this to 0, 0 plus 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So what way it is different from 11? There we are adding every digit and its immediate right digit. Here, before adding, we are first doubling every digit, then adding to its immediate right digit. Right? So let's take one more example. 3, 6, 5, 7 into 12. Come on, please. Double this 14. 4 here, 1 carried. Double this 10 plus 7, 17 plus 1, 18. Double this 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 1 carried again. double this 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13, double this 0, 0 plus 3, 3 plus 1 carried 4. Is that fine, students? Now, let me write one more example. 9876 into 12. I'm using the biggest possible digits. Double this 12, 1 carried. Next, double this 14 plus 6, 20. 1 was carried before. So 20 plus 1, 21 means 1 now. 2 carried to the next place. 16 plus 7, 23 plus 2 carried. So 2 was carried before. So 25. 5 here, 2 carried to the next place. 18 plus 8. I'm doubling this. 18 plus 8, 26. 2 was carried before. 26 plus 2, 28. 8 here, 2 to the carried to the next place. 2, 0, 0 plus 9. 9 plus 2 was carried before. So it is 11. Right? One more example, students. 4, 3. Let's take one small, slightly bigger number. 8, 4, 6, 7 into 12. Come on, please. We have not taken that number now. Yeah. Double this 14, 1 carried. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 0 here, 2 carried. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 2, 16 means 48 plus 6, 14. 2 was there before, so 16. 6 here, now 1 carried. See, I'm not writing carried number. You should keep it in mind, please. So now 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 1 carried, 21. 1 here, now 2 carried to the next place. 2, 0, 0 plus 8. 8 plus 2 carried, 10. This is how you can do 12, students. Right? Once you do for 12, you can also extend the rule for 13 and all that, right? So suppose if I ask you 4, 3, 5, 2 into 13 means what you do? Because unit place is 3, multiply every digit with 3 times and then add the right digit. 6 plus right digit, nothing, 6. 15 plus 2, 3 5 is 15 plus 2, 17, 1 carried. 9 plus 5, 14 and 1 carried, 15. 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 1 carried, 16. 16. Next 3, 0, 0 plus 4, 5. Like that you can extend. So like this, this particular approach that I am telling you, students, will be useful for 11 to 19 numbers, right? If you know tables, it will be great. You can see why, if you know tables, why it will be great, students, is suppose if I am writing 4, 3, 5, 2 into say 13, what happens is, students, I can directly say 13 2 is 26, 13 65, 67, 39, 45, 50, 52, 56. In no time you can get it. Otherwise, what happens is, multiplying this, coming to the previous place, multiplying this, coming to the previous flow, the flow will be taking little more time. But then this will be better than writing 13 means multiplying with 3 and writing down, multiplying with 1 and writing down and adding. You just cannot afford to do that, students, right? Okay, so this is how, like this, there are many special cases, students. But again, as I said in one of the other videos, I am only discussing those which are more useful for you examination point of view. Otherwise, there are n number of techniques of special multiplications, right? What is useful, we have discussed a few techniques here today. And in one of the other videos of multiplication of numbers close to powers of 10, we have discussed one more special multiplication technique, right? So thank you. If you have any queries, you can always reach me at sr.gorantla1@gmail.com, or you can reach me at Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram at srgorantla, right? Students, we'll meet again in another video.